Snapchat app not sending snaps. So first of all, check your internet connection. If internet connection is working properly, then clear the Snapchat cache. For this, long press on Snapchat app, tap app info, tap storage usage, and clear cache. After that, update the app from Play Store. Here, search for Snapchat and update it from here. If these tips not work, also try to and log in the app again. For this, go to the settings of Snapchat and log it out from here. These tips will work for you. If none of these tips worked, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app.